Hi students, welcome back to Jaginfo channel. 2021 Science School Class 9 exam paper key is released. Let's go through the question paper with answers. Section A Mathematics covered. First question. A sum amounts to 4,410 rupees after 2 years at 5% compound interest per annum. What is the principal? Answer 3. 4,000. Students, if you know the answers, please put the comments below. Pause the video and put the comments. What will you get when you subtract 3x minus 4y minus 7z from the sum of x minus 3y plus 2z and minus 4x plus 9y minus 11z? Answer 1. Minus 6x plus 10y minus 2z. Find the remainder when 5x square minus 4x plus 3 is divided by x minus 2. Options given 14, 15, 18, 12. Answer 2. 15. If x minus 1 by x equal to 3, then the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is. Options given 194, 119, 114, 116. Answer 119. The area of the square having diagonal of length d is given by. Answer d square by 2. The perimeter of a circle having area 154 square centimeter is. Answer 44 centimeter. Find the area of rhombus having perimeter 80 cm and one diagonal 24 cm. Do the calculation. If you know the answer, please put the comments. Answer 384 square centimeter. I purchased 1 dozen pencils at the rate of 5 paise per pencil. For how much should I sell a pencil to make 20% profit? 4 paise, 10 paise, 6 paise or 8 paise? Answer 6 paise. If the height and the radius of a cone are doubled, the value of the cone becomes 2 times, 4 times, 6 times or 8 times? Answer 8 times. The total surface area of the hemisphere of volume 19404 cubic centimeter is. Answer 4158 square centimeter. The value of 125 to the power of minus 1 by 3 is. Answer 1 by 5. The value of 64 to the power of 2 by 3 to the power of 1 by 2 is. Answer 4. What is the value of 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power of minus 2? Answer 29. The additive identity for integers is always be 0. Associative property of multiplication of integers. Answer exists. If ABC is an equilateral triangle of side A, then its altitude is equal to square root of 3 by 2 A. What is the ratio of the volume of a cylinder and that of a cone on the same base and of the same height? Then what is the ratio? Answer 3:1. A vertical pole 14 meter high casts a shadow of 10 meters. What will be the height of a tree that casts a shadow of 15 meters under similar conditions? We need to find the height of a tree. Answer 21 meters. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? Answer 24. 24 workers. If A plus B plus C equal to 5 and AB plus BC plus CA equal to 10, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is answer minus 25. If A by B plus B by A equal to 2, then A cube minus B cube equal to answer 0. Factorization of 3 into square root of 3x cube minus 8 is answer option 1. What is the number of possible outcomes in throwing two dice simultaneously? What is the number of possible outcomes in throwing two dice simultaneously? Answer 36. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at most one head is answer 3 by 4. There is food provision for 100 men for 30 days. If the number of men is reduced to 80, then the number of days the food could last for is answer 37 1 by 2. The difference of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is always a multiple of answer 9. If a triangle, if two of the angles are complementary, then the measure of the third angle is answer 90 degrees. If the exterior angle of a triangle is 60 degrees and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 1:3, then the angles of the triangle are 120 degrees, 45 degrees, 15 degrees. In a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then the consecutive interior angles on the same side of the transversal are complementary, supplementary, equal, none of these. Answer supplementary. At what distance does the point 12,5 lie from the origin? Answer 13. A can do a work in 25 days and B can do the same work in 20 days. If they work together for 5 days and then A leaves, in how many days can B finish the remaining work? Answer 11. See the chart. Expenses: house rent 17%, clothing 14%, fuel 5%, food 61%, others 3%. Answer 219.6 degrees, 18 degrees. What is alternate name of a pie chart? Answer circle chart. Line L is perpendicular to line M and line M is perpendicular to line N. Then the lines L and N are parallel to each other. Find the sum of 3.2 and 5.4. Answer 78 by 9. What should be added to minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? Answer 58 by 21. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of the two numbers is 5:2. The two numbers are 110 and 44. If angle A and angle C are two opposite angles of a parallelogram, then angle A equal to angle C. The lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16 cm and 12 cm. Find the length of each of its sides. Answer 10 cm. The mean of the following data is 8. Then find the value of x 2, 4, 8, 6, x, 5. We need to find the value of x. Answer 23. The value of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 9 is answer 29 by 19. If the mode of a distribution is 12 and the mean is 3, then the median is answer 6. The square root of 0.50121 is answer 0.0011. Which least number should be subtracted from 108245 so as to get a perfect square? Answer 4. Find the ones digit of the cube root of 6859. Answer 9. The smallest natural number by which 1296 must be divided to get a perfect cube is answer 6. 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? Answer 7. Data collected in a survey shows that 40% of the buyers are interested in buying a particular brand of toothpaste. The central angle of the sector of the pie chart represents this information is answer 144. The monthly salary of a person is 15,000. The central angle of the sector representing his expenses on food and house rent on a pie chart is 60 degrees. The amount he spends on food and house rent is how much? Answer 2,500 rupees. The mid value of a class interval is called its class mark. Section B English. Pause the video and read this following passage and answer the following questions. Mary thoroughly enjoyed the university years. Answer: despite living on meagre funds. A lot of emphasis was laid on Mary's education because answer: Mary was born into a family of teachers. Which of the following statements about the passage is not true? Answer: Mary's elder sister died of tuberculosis and mother of typhus. Rearrange the following words phrases to make a meaningful sentence. Choose the correct sequence. The given words is cold A. It was beautiful day. Answer: it was a beautiful cold day. Answer is CBDAA. It was a beautiful cold day. Answer by choosing the most appropriate option. To tie yourself in knots means. Answer: to get confused. Someone has lit the fire. Choose the correct passive form of this sentence. Answer: the fire has been lit by someone. Weather forecasts are not very reliable and never will be. The princess was very generous. Everyone liked her for her dash innocence. Answer: childlike. Neither of the girls dash to collect their certificates. Neither of the girls has come to collect their certificates. Rearrange the following words to make a meaningful sentence. Choose the correct sequence. The words given is into the water, everyone crowded, to see, jump, around him. Answer: BECFDA. Everyone crowded around to see him jump into the water. Everyone crowded around to see jump into the water. Next question. He acted dash at the dinner table. Answer: he acted clumsily at the dinner table. The price of this mobile phone is higher than yours. Choose the edited form of the underlined words from the options given. The price of this mobile phone is higher than that of yours. The young teacher was brimming with confidence. Identify the adjective in this sentence. Young. I need to check dash I have brought my umbrella. Choose the correct conjunction. I need to check whether I have brought my umbrella. She has now organized her documents in properly labeled files. Change to passive voice. Her documents have now been organized in properly labeled files. It is late and dash to get any sleep. I must go. It is late and if I am to get any sleep, I must go. She speaks dash all of us when she says that we are grateful for your kindness. She speaks for all of us when she says that we are grateful for your kindness. Between his cat and his dog, his cat is dash more loyal of the two. You need to give the correct answer. Between his cat and his dog, his cat is no article more loyal of the two. No article. After the school was dismissed, she said with pretended casualness that she wanted to go and meet the new teacher. Identify the type of verb. Answer. Participle. You dash an accident if you go on driving like that. You will have an accident if you go on driving like that. Would you like some tea or coffee? The assistant asked me. The assistant asked me if I would like some tea or coffee. Choose the correct spelling. Benevolent. Benevolent. The correct synonym of the word zenith is pinnacle. The room was filled by the wizard's shrieks of fiendish laughter. Pleasant. If I am doing hard work to get all the college of my choice, incorrect part of the sentence we need to identify. Doing hard work. Section C. General Science. Water harvesting means. Answer. Collection of rainwater in storage tanks. The process of zinc lamination coating on iron is called galvanization. Conditions for good electroplating are all of these: high current density, low temperature, high concentration of metal in electrolyte. Electroplating is the application of electrolysis. An earthquake measuring 6 on the Richter scale is more powerful than another of magnitude 4 by 100 times. Rabi crops are sown in winter and harvested in summer. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. Identify the correctly matched pair from the following. Gear, lion. Naphthalene balls used to repel moths and insects are derived from coal tar. The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Which amongst the following is a petroleum product which can be used for metalling of roads? Answer. Bitumen. A person suffering from dash should always cover his mouth and nose with a handkerchief while sneezing. Common cold. Which of these traps air the most? Answer. Wool. Which non-metal is highly reactive and is used in making matchsticks? Phosphorus. What is the product formed when a metal reacts with water? Metal oxide. Which of the following pairs of organelles doesn't contain DNA? Lysosomes and vacuoles. Which of the following features helps in distinguishing a plant cell from an animal cell? Cell wall. Cloning is similar to which of the following modes of reproduction? Asexual reproduction. Which of the following correctly represents the value for the normal atmospheric pressure? Answer will be 3 and 4. 101325 pascals, 76 centimeters of mercury. Answer will be 3 and 4. Loudness of sound is proportional to square of the amplitude. A man stands 10 meters in front of a large plane mirror. How far must he walk before he is 5 meters away from his image? He can walk 7.5 meters. Which of the following metals is used in electroplating to make metal objects appear shining on car surfaces? Chromium metal. What are the two gases mainly responsible for acid rain? Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. A set of terms pertaining to reproduction are given below. Choose the set that has an incorrect combination. Sperm, oviduct, egg, uterus. The larva of frog changes its form by a sudden and drastic process called metamorphosis. Section D, Social Studies. Who were the European artists appointed by Muhammad Ali Khan of Arcot? Tilly Kettle and George Willison. The temperate grasslands of South Africa are called the velds. Thinnest layer of the earth is crust. Which of the following is an example of non-metallic mineral? Mica. The emperor who ascended the throne at 13 years of age was Akbar. The number of seats reserved for scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha is 47. What is referred to as the supreme law of land? Constitution. The breaking up and decaying of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants, animals, and human activity is called weathering. A motion of no confidence against the government can be introduced in the Lok Sabha. Ministry of Human Resource Development was created in 1985. 29th March 1857 is a significant data because Mangal Pandey was hanged to death. Which of the following is not categorized under the Himalayan earthquakes? Bhuj earthquake. Dash, a great scholar of Sanskrit, felt that Hinduism was oppressive towards women. Pandita Ramabai. Burning of fossil fuels causes global warming. Which incident in the history of the Indian freedom movement made Tagore angry and made him renounce his knighthood? Answer. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Which of the following is a fundamental right? Right to freedom of religion. Dikers are outsiders. The Supreme Court of India has laid down specific requirements and procedures that the police and other agencies have to follow for the arrest, detention, and interrogation of any person. These guidelines are also known as D.K. Basu guidelines. Name the Indian revolutionary who threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly on 8th April 1929. Bhagat Singh. Who is the founder of Khudai Khidmatkars, a powerful non-violent movement among the Pathans? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. What is the meaning of the Japanese term tsunami? Harbor wave. Air pressure dash as the height increases. Air pressure decreases as the height increases. Viticulture is the cultivation of grapes. Where did Gandhiji launch the mill workers' strike of 1919? Kheda. Which of the following was termed as Devilish and Tyrannical by Gandhiji and Jinnah. Rowlatt Act. Section E. Intelligence. Insert the missing number. If you know the answers, please put the comments below. Answer 27. Choose the alternative that best represents a relationship similar to the one expressed in the original pair. F is to 216, then L is to 1728. In a certain code, terminal is written as NSFUMBOJ and towers is written as XPUTSF. Then, how is mate written in the same code? Answer BNFU. Arrange the following words as per order in the dictionary. Quilt, quite, queen, queen. Answer queen, quilt, quite. 3, 4, 1, 2. Find the odd one that doesn't belong to the group. K, Q, N, N. 5 friends are standing in a row. Amar is taller than Samir. Prabhat is taller than Umesh, but not as tall as Samir. Ashok is shorter than Umesh. Who among them is the shortest? Ashok among them is the shortest. Complete the series 3, 10, 101 and next one is 10202. Select the related word from the given alternatives. Hirakud, Mahanadi, Tehri Dam, Bhagirathi. In the following question, select the missing number from the given series. Answer 119. Fill with a suitable word. Quarantined, separated, radical, fundamental. Choose the letter group that represents a relationship similar to the one expressed in the original pair of letter groups. Understand is DASENNTRDU. Then determined TEEIENMRTR. Option 1. Michael is 14th from the left and in a row of 40 boys. What is his position, rank, from the right end? Answer 27th. P is the brother of Q and R. S is R's mother. T is P's father. Which of the following statements cannot be definitely true? Answer Q is T's son. Choose the correct option in place of question mark to complete the given series 21, 25, 33, 49, 81. Answer is 145. Tiger is related to cub in the same way as elephant is related to dash. Answer calf. If in the year 2012 January 1st is Sunday, then which day is the Indian Republic Day in the year 2012? Thursday. What comes next in the series? 7, 14, 42, 168. 840. In a list, if Shika is 15th from the upper end and 17th from the lower end, then find the total number of people in the list. 31. Find the fourth proportional of 4, 5 and 16. Answer 20. Pitch is related to cricket in the same way as arena is related to wrestling. The time in the clock is 12:15. If the hour hand points to the east, which is the direction opposite to the minute hand? Answer north. 5 boys A, B, C, D and E are sitting in a row. A is to the right of B and E is to the left of B but to the right of C. A is to the left of D. Who is second from the left hand? Answer E. A word has been given, followed by four other words, one of which can be formed by using the letters from the given word. Preparation. Then find the word. Answer Parrot. What is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when it is 5:10 pm? Answer 95 degrees. From his house, Ramesh goes 15 kilometers to north. Then he turns west and covers 20 kilometers. Then he turns south and covers 5 kilometers. Finally, he turns east and covers 30 kilometers. Looking from his house, in which direction is he standing? Northeast. Thanks students. Thanks for watching. Please like,